have some apps.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, my apps. Since the time I started working with artists from Shatta, Jupiter, Episode, for Vibrant Fire, my apps has been AK Sunstress. AK Sunstress and the current artists I'm working with, Lomonga. My work with Shatta was a total loss. Pain and tears. Pain and tears. The most painful experience I've had in my career as an artist manager since I came to Ghana in 2009 is my experience with Shatta.
Wow.
And it's been very hard for me to let go that painful experience. No matter how we meet sometime and vibe, I find it so hard to let go. Sometimes
is it because of the success of the office?
No, it's not the success. The success was some of the things that I prayed for him. One day you'll be the biggest. These words he can recount them to you one by one. And anytime on your interview platform, baby son on a live story. Last time he was on Joy FM and he was with Abuaji, and they asked him how the takeover started. I was listening. I said, okay, let me see if he will get to the part where I took off with him. Or can I do my side? And that was when it took off. Let me say, thank God. You couldn't take me out of the picture. It took off for my time. I took it off. But I am the most down-pressed person, the most bitter person he has ever worked with. Because at my time, that was where and when he was so down and people were pushing him to the wall. I came in with that aggression. I came in with that motivation, with that direction, the branding, and also the lead to this victory. And whatever I enjoy in the name of it, because I asked myself, God, why don't I have a pinch of jealousy in me? But because anytime I
why the bitterness?
The bitterness is because he hasn't been grateful.
How do you want him to show that gratitude? Let
me show how you show gratitude to people. People we have people who help you because along the line, so I mean, I've had some people who say, but the only person who can claim the right to his rising is me. And it is who show your gratitude to somebody who has played such a role in your life. And yes,
you want recognition?
No, I don't want that.
So what do you want?
Respect.
How? How does he?
Okay.
How do you want to show them?
Let me show you how you show respect.
Because he said he was on radio. He said that you are part of his.
I said when he got to that part, he couldn't take it out. Yeah. But the part that I'm saying is he hasn't shown gratitude enough. Is even though we vibe. You only say in Sembi wakakika. What na no kanka. No say Sembi was oka. E man nipa hu ne wo trim. Nti no uka den udani balance kra asida wa man no onjindi. In someone na no kanka. And on top of that, there have been times make me nipa na vibe. Or them be vibe say. Once within a short time nipa na will change it. And here number 2. Number 3. So what show big gratitude. Makasa ngi sika enye material. Yeah. Love. Love no chese be out to see there are people you have worked with in the past and then those people how much me afro anyway din come let say anything. That is how you show gratitude. You get to know what is going on in the person's life, because when you were down, nobody wanted to know what's going on in your life. And these are the people who came and lift you. Until also say you are appreciated what they have done for you. Or you check on them. You don't totally ignore, because he has let me put it on record. Until recently, Shatta never wanted to agree to the fact say I made that lifting. Until recently, until last, I'm saying this on record, because if he comes out now, I will still talk. Until recently, he never agreed say I mean I'm lifting. And I did the house sometimes was say Yamine. But when he's on radio, that's he said I can't go. He said until if he's not on interview, yeah, that's no deny. Odinaya go say ye bisa ne sam na na kopim ho ara fedia. There's no escape. We are sir, woman who say I know and you don't appreciate. You don't have to be pushed to the wall to appreciate. It has to come natural. Timino, for some time now I was very bitter. Bitter means say be na me jim one man na e mama because in some nipa no catch me. Before I believe no shame no, you want send your car say hey I did we are we are me home. Say yeah do nyame who pay sao. Na me say sa mate. Inti so e motivate me. Say yeah me say. In some kind of na to be pay. Tell me a fire on the police station. A fire on the police station. Straight up call off me. With the accusation say we didn't see that. Na capre. But not for me to me say that. Not for me to go to that.
Police, you are locked. Police station, man, they are every time.
Unlock, boss. The bitterness ni na say. Some police station now unlocking me for nothing. On my image to come. It made two almost I think like. He took the same bulldog who I brought him close to come and bail me. Unlocking me from Anopa, Ekosi, and I think almost like 12, 11 in the night. For no reason. The reason is they were finding ways to get rid of me. Now the team no recognize Nipa way in a year. Am I do say? But Nipa way no around. I say to me, I said or boss around to my how to get rid of me was to condemn me and lock me. And that's what happened. And they picked me up. Saturday, and I mean to they picked me up from Joy FM. All the police by Joy FM.
That's also a good point, because there's one on copy.
All by Joy FM, they picked me. With police enter like fee or Nima police call lock me for nothing. As I'm trying to talk to me, so say me see me kuno. It is a double issue. Yamen Quanta go for nothing. No. To know that as important, this is how to pay me. As same way say no. So I say meet me and if you move Anna. Yes. that was the exit point. This night maybe I say we me can say your not or I be official there. My bitter maybe bra go see me no. Deep in his heart no. And we say me here feel no. Me pay material. Tell my age man kana me turn the car na me me material minded. Me a person with love. But sad dear no. My wife can say hey I deal with them catch them. This is how you lock me they process me, handcuff me, police need the mechiba me fear, scatter me them so arms. And sad dear no, and now mean to me this animal thing.
I'm a blogger's news show.
I'm sure. Indeed, me say me peshika, me peshi. Sad on the year, you know. He has to apologize for that thing. Sad on the year now. Up to now, be an occasion. Police and the court to you. Fachenia. It's me. You best say, I bet Casabia and show. Sardiano. Then I make how and why I am bitter. I'll be Cassie.
So the bitterness, how do you think that the power between you?
Never tell anything, say. I guess my person who say that is the only thing I'm going to mean in him. We person recognize that police now local me and to me so say
logic. So
until say no Obemu said that was a point where he let me down, he betrayed me, you know. So he's sorry for that thing he did to me. And no I gave a couple the person. So yes I don't have a problem, not even an issue. Because all the glory, you know, I told him.
Have you made him aware what channel, what can't you?
Can't change that. Sadly, you can't change that.
This is a big platform.
So this is the first
time. Can't first time I come baby, to me kasaka I mean come with that. But because we decide me say, then I'm a person nipa no or the time I say na make sure say that the only thing I need is for him to apologize to me for that thing.
For locking you up.
Locking me up. For locking me up for the hard work I did with him, for us getting to victory. Nima make crap and no better time I say Papa Obiati me said there is a particular guy called yes. Tell my victory by and I lock me. Lock me. I tell you go many masima a same brand. And I can be out of the system. Emma Omua na tell me you man no mo tell me say I did wey you dano. Omo ebejinema. No omo say I walk on yalo. That is the only thing. In the pen I make I say. Me can't be other. I haven't said this anywhere before.
Wow.
Yes.
Because he
Right.
so